Hi, on Monday I showed you how I'd taken a trade on Bitcoin, but this could be anything. I'm going to show you now how I manage open trades and leave the balance to run. So my entry initially was here, my stop was down here. So now we have more than made twice our risk. My overall hope of a target is to be getting back up to here, but I have set a target for now up here, which will be 4.5 times the risk. My concern is that today it's gone absolutely nowhere and the buyers and sellers are in agreement on the price at the moment. So what I have done now, I have moved the stop up to below this recent consolidation and the 55 EMA here on a 4 hour. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off half of the profit to make sure I bank something. So I'm going to close and then I'm going to take off 0.25. In fact, let's take off 0.3 of the trade. I am now left with 0.2 left. It is risk-free. I have banked some profit and there is the potential for this to go much further. And let's now adjust this target. Let's go for this intermediate one around 59,000. But that's how I do it. If we start to see price starts to consolidate, wait for the consolidation and then move your stop up behind it. I'm not willing to risk this coming all the way back down and taking me back up. Entry, need to pay the rent. Catch you later.